Welcome back to part 2 of repairing my family's 2008 Honda Accord. Two different videos because you may not need to actually repair both parts. You may only need to do the brake light switch, which is this video, or you may need to do the wheel speed sensor, which is the previous video. Both needed to be done in order to get the VSA warning light off of my dashboard and for the vehicle to run completely normally. Now, you'll have to replace the brake light sensor if two things. Firstly, obviously the brake lights don't work because they're not lining up when you're pushing the brake pedal. And secondly, because your shifter, no matter what you do, you push the brake, your shifter isn't shifting. You can't pull it out of park. And that's all caused because of this little brake light sensor, the brake light button. When the brake is resting against this, when it's pushed in like that, your brake lights are off. And when you release the brake, this pops open and then your brake lights work. And obviously your shifter works too. This can be found under the dashboard and it's really easy to replace. Step 1, under your dash, you're gonna find this cable, push in the pin, pull it back. Should be fairly simple. Next step, you're gonna take the actual switch, turn it clockwise, pull it out. There you go. And you get the new one. Find the hole, push it in all the way so that you can see the switch pushes. Twist it clockwise until it snaps into place. Replace this in there. Push and line it up. Make sure that clicks in and you're set to go. So now your vehicle should be functioning properly with the VSA warning light off, your brake lights working, your shifter working properly, and you can get back on the road or take your driving test if you need to go that route. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name's Lance, the Ultimate Postman. You can call me Postman. If you found this helpful, if this helped you repair your car properly, leave a comment below. Let me know your experience working on your own car. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you next time.